ABC Kinder Teach presents Gone Wild, an Endangered Animal Alphabet, written by David McLimans. Chinese alligator, A. Madagascar tree, boa, B. Naked kerosene, C. Blue duck, D. St. Helena earwig, E. Andean flamingo, F. Swan goose, G. Bushman hare, H. Crested ibis, I. Florida scrub, J. Keys, short-winged, conehead, katydid, K. Snow leopard, L. Prairie sphinx moth, M. Black spotted newt, N. Spotted owl, O. Piping plover, P. Spotted tail quoll, Q. Black rhinoceros, R. Oriental white stork, S. Andean tapir, T. Bald-headed yukari, U. Baluchistan vole, V. Ethiopian wolf, W. Xenopus gilli, or the Cape clawed frog, X. Wild yak, Y. Grevy's zebra, Z.